camera switched off? That's the blade rotating. How do you drive this? Drives, I think I got this too low. Yeah, it's all working and all fine. Yeah. What do you do with this? I have no idea. I must be pressing the wrong pedal or something. What's this button here for? Oh, that's the blade. Yeah, that's the blade. Yeah, the blade spin. What's this? That's probably the height of the blades. How do you switch it off? Yeah, so this is the choke and gas. That's to start it. This is, I think, is to engage the blades, and that's the height of it. And that's the gears: neutral, reverse, and 5 gears. Well, let's hope. Well, that's the Atco. What is it called? There's a number here somewhere. Aha. GT38M model. I've borrowed this battery, so there's going to be no battery with it. Okay. Hope you like it.